Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this super easy 5-minute sparkly eye look. I used the Tarte Full Bloom Palette and I also used a Stila eye topper just so I could get that extra sparkle. And I had to do my wing off camera because it was super challenging, but if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. E35. I'm gonna go in with the shade Fresh Picked, which is that light orange transition shade. And I'm gonna blend this into my crease area. And this is just gonna warmthen up my crease, adding some definition. A brush like this is just a random, it's called Smudge brush. It's just like a round blending brush, more dense. Optimistic right next to it, which is a darker transition shade. And I was going to define the crease. My Morphe M433, which looks like that. I am gonna take the shade Independent, which is that darker orange brown shade. Apply that to my outer V and up into the outer crease. On a Colourpop E18, a brush that looks like this, I'm gonna take the shade Sunkissed. It's that very light, shimmery shade. It's like a nude shimmer. I'm actually just gonna use my finger because it works a lot better. Just packing it on. Go back in with that Morphe M433 and the shade Independent, and go back over my outer V area. While I have that, I'm just gonna drag that down under my lash line. Stila Kitten Glitter Topper, and I'm going to apply that over the shimmer. I'm just gonna let that dry. Let that dry. It dries pretty fast. I love this stuff. It like doesn't budge. It's super shimmery. It's so pretty. I love it. Now I'm gonna apply a black wing. I'm gonna go with Maybelline Studio because this is a beautiful matte black eyeliner. I'm probably able to do this on camera. Yeah. All right, so I applied some bottom eyeliner and some top eyeliner. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner using Becca Moonstone. I love this highlight. Actually, I'm just gonna highlight the brow bone just a tad. Apply some mascara and some false lashes. And that completes this look. I applied Kiss Style 01 lashes. And if you want to see a tutorial on an older palette, please comment below. I love using older palettes and creating tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and please subscribe.